Today we are going to make a bow for a Christmas tree. So this is what we're going to make. So I'm going to teach you how to do this. We have a 10-yard bolt of ribbon. This 10-yard bolt of ribbon should make you 3 nice bows similar to this. You got your concealer loop, your flanking loop, and then your tail, which is made from that one long loop at the end. And then you just pull it and shape it. And this is wired ribbon, so you can take it and it's just like that. Front, and that's the back where you've bound it all together. Like I said, the most important part is that you twist that as tight as you can so you don't pull your loops out of the bow. You start with a 4-inch tail and you gather up your ribbon, and then you're going to make 8 flanking loops, okay? And they're all the same size. So you gather your ribbon up and pull it down straight, and then you just continue making 8 flanking loops, all the same size. And you just make them all the same size, and you gather up your ribbon, and they're all the same size. But you do that 4 times, so you end up with 8 flanking loops on each side of your bow. And this will be straightened out in a moment, but just make them all the same size. And then when you've got your 8 loops, you have to have a concealer loop. And the reason for that is to cover up all your mechanics. So your ribbon is straight down, face out. Again, pull it down and turn it 180 degrees. So the back of your ribbon is on the inside of this flanking loop. And this flanking loop is just in the middle like this, and then you've got your ribbon still here hanging down. And to make a tails on this ribbon, you just make one more long loop, and you gather that all together. Now you've got that all gathered together between your thumb and your forefinger and your middle finger. I'm using all 3 fingers here to do this. Then you take wire, and this concealer wire comes from Dollar Tree, and you get a package like this. We don't carry it, so I'm sending you to Dollar Tree to buy it, have it in different colors. Then your wire you run through your concealer loop and turn it back, and then take all of your flanking loops and your concealer loop and pull as tight as you can between your middle finger and your forefinger, and then you twist this wire as tight as you can. And to make your 3rd loop, you just cut your ribbon so you've got this long loop here, which you cut so you've got 3 different loops, and you hem these loops to keep the ribbon from fraying. And then you can take your bow now and you can shape it and pull all these loops like this, and you're done. You got a ribbon for your tree, or for your gift, or for your hair, or anywhere you want to put it. Now, I'm going to show you one thing real quick. The reason you pull that as tight as you can and twist it, because if you don't do that, when you start to shape your bow, these loops are all going to pull out. So that's got to be as tight as you can make it. So when you pull it, because you really have to pull it tight, twist your binding wire as tight as you can, so then you can't pull these loops out. That's all there is. If you just watch this about a dozen times and get you a bolt of ribbon, $5 a bolt for 10 yards, you can do it.